Good Saturday morning, awesome anglers. Today I'm going to try to install a Bluetooth audio system in my boat. I have a 2014 Skeeter FX21. It's not the limited edition, so it didn't come with all the power poles and Bluetooth audio system and some of those things. So it was before they made the LE. So I'm going to try today to install this Bluetooth audio system. It has two 6.5-inch speakers. You can check out my unboxing of the system. The link to that video is in the description below. So I did an unboxing that just talks about what the stuff is that is in the Bluetooth system. And in order to get those 6.25-inch speakers into the boat, I have to cut a 6-inch hole for each speaker in the boat. Needless to say, I am a little bit nervous about cutting this hole. So I'm going to take the boat to my buddy Byron's house, and he's going to help me. Actually, he doesn't know it yet, but he's going to cut the holes and try to get that Bluetooth audio system installed today. It may take today and tomorrow to get it done, but also post some video of actually cutting the holes and getting the system all installed and see what it sounds like. So cutting these holes is going to be a big challenge, and but we'll take some video of it today, and you can see how good we do or what mistakes we make. I really am a little bit nervous about this one. here's the perspective of where the radio is at from basically the steering wheel. Looking right down. To where that Bluetooth audio control head is, right within reach from sitting here at the seat. Really is the best placement I think we can get for that one. Alright, awesome anglers, we have a completed Bluetooth audio system. It's installed in the 2014 Skeeter. The 2014 Skeeter has sounds just like a limited edition, and sounds really good. The scariest thing I had to do was cut the holes for the speakers and for the head, for the radio head to go into. But we came up with a pretty good method to do that. We actually drilled some pilot holes and used a roto zip to just go from pilot hole to pilot hole. That's what we did on the second one. The speakers, since we put them under the seat because that was the place that this size speaker would fit the best, when we did that, there was foam, flotation type foam behind the seat, and that really actually helped make the sound quite a bit better. So the head's right at the controls here, right next to me, just on the right, and it's easy to get to, easy to look at even when you're running down the lake. I think this will be a good spot for it to be. It's waterproof, so it's good from that perspective. Speakers under each seat, facing forward, so you can really hear the sound that they put out if you're standing on the front of the boat, sitting on the front of the boat tying, rerunning line or whatever you might be doing to be listening to music. It really produces some good sound. So. Boss Bluetooth audio system. It's in the 2014 Skeeter. Sounds great and looks really good. Clean installation. Big shout out to my buddy Byron who had enough guts to make cuts in the fiberglass of this nice boat. I was really scared to do it, and Byron helped me out. He made those cuts, and he did all the wiring, ran it all together. Couldn't be happier. It's a good addition to the Skeeter. Going to be nice when we're tying lures on and preparing for the next day of fishing or out here working on the boat. I think I'm going to really like it. So if you don't have a Bluetooth audio system in your boat, you should get one. Like I say, this Boss was about $100 and it was pretty easy to install. So until next time, awesome anglers, keep on fishing.